This House of the Speaker has received a message from the Governor. Now I will read the message. In terms of Clause 2, the Article 175 of the Constitution of India, I hereby send the following message of consideration in the Legislative Assembly, that the floor test be held on or before 21/3/2019 for proving the majority as early as possible, but surely during the course of the same day. The only agenda for the day would be holding of a floor test to determine whether the Chief Minister administered the oath of office has support of the majority. The result of the floor test may be conveyed to me immediately after conclusion of the floor test, and the entire proceedings of the House may also be sent to me. Mridula Sinha, Honorable Governor. The motion of confidence. The Chief Minister may move the motion.
Sir, I beg to move that the House express its confidence in Council of Ministers headed by Dr. Pramod Pandurang Sawant.
The motion is before the House. I will now only Houseak कडीत करता की आमचो बाप पांडुरंग मडकयकर may sit and raise his hand. May sit and raise his hand. I will now put the motion to the vote of the House. Those in favor of the motion may stand.
Abhirao. Chachilam. Babu Varol. Count.
Those against the motion.
Count घेतलो.
Those, please sit.
Count घे.
Count. 20.
त्याचं झालं 20 प्लस त्यात लागलं झालं त्यात.
तुम्ही बसा. Those against the motion may stand.
मी डिव्हिजन म्हणजे पहिलेच मागले.
Please count.
डिव्हिजन म्हणून संधी दिली ना.
Total 20 versus 15. The motion is carried.